Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm so grateful. Thank you. And thank you to all my existing and returning subscribers. Many thanks. It was a little bit hard for me to come back. It was, because I just thought I was on holiday still, you know. This week I'm bringing to you my August melon that I'm going to complete because it's the last week of August, and also the new ones that I got from I've forgotten now. I'll let you know as I go along. Totally forgotten. And I've also got my 100 envelopes here this week. As you know, or if you didn't know, I'm rotating the savings challenges. So let's get started. I've got £140 as usual. That's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. As I said, I'm going to start off with my melon, my watermelon this week. And one more colouring in. I don't really want this video to be long. So we've got red and we've got green, and I'll be back in a minute. There you have it. £15. Each slice of melon is £5. So that is finished and done with, and I'll get the September one in for next time round. And I will be doing, I want to stuff this 52 weeks challenge, but I'm going to wait for a little while because I've introduced a couple of other ones. Have a look. Right, I want to do this autumn leaves. This one is 9 leaves for £1 each, and I'm going to just complete it today and just put £10 in. So I'll put £10 in that. I'm not going to colour them in, I'm just going to mark them. What colour shall I put for autumn leaves? Orangey, reds, I think. Let's have a look. That's okay. Let's have a look at this one, see how... Oh, that's cute. I'm just going to mark it as complete because I don't want to forget. Yay, so that one's done. And I'll put it back in the envelope with the other one. The second one is the, is it £45? And that will be £5 each leaves. They're from One Frugal Introvert. That's right, because I had forgotten. So that's completed. I want to start the 40 puzzle piece as well, and that is from One Frugal Introvert as well. And I will mark these at another time, but I'll just strike them off. So there's 10 puzzles on each row at £1, so I'll just put that colour there so I know that I've done them. And I'll colour that off screen. And the 100 Rainy Day Fund, I am going to do 2 boots. 1 boot is 5 and 2 boots is 10. So I'm going to do 2 boots, and I'm going to do them in this colour. Right, so, oh, silly me. Okay, right, I'll colour those two, and I'll leave that one for another time. Silly me. Okay. Getting back in the motion of things. I'm introducing my £5 savings challenge again. This one on completion is £750. I really did like this one. I truly did. So I'm going to colour that in this purpley blue, but bluey, grey, purpley. I'm going to give this one £10 today. I've done it before and I did enjoy it. So and I may see, that's the old envelope for it. I may do the roll the dice as well, just depending on how much money I've got left. So that's that for now. And let's do the actually, let's roll the dice. Let's do roll the dice, because I'm bringing it back again. I really did like it. This one's £156 once saved. I'm going to bring in 2, the whites, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so that's 5. Should I do another one? Let's do another one. I'm not using any coins. I'm going to just round off everything. So that's 8. So I'll just put 10. And we're done with that one. Great. So that was 2 4s, 4 and a 1. 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 So we had 2 4s. And a 4 and a 1. Great. And that's coming back as well. See, I've got the envelope that I was using before. Right, so that's that. And then let's just do the 100 envelopes. I'm going to do 2 purples today and see what I get. Let's just straighten them all up. These ones at the back have got money in them already. They've been stuffed and I'm really happy. So what I do, roll the dice, whatever number it falls on, then I'm going to count the envelopes and whatever numbers on the envelope, I will stuff it. So let's go ahead. That's 9. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's £20. And that goes behind this divider here, and we'll go again. We've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have a look. That's £10. We'll do, I'll get some change. No, that's okay. We'll do the £10 in here. And again, that goes behind the divider. So that one's done for another time. until another time. Put those back, and then I have got the 52 weeks challenge that I'm going to do. What one is in here? I haven't done my Save 2023 in 2023 in quite a while, because I've got a couple of plans for it, so I'm not worrying about that right now. I believe that I may not be able to do it for a third time this year. This is my second time, the Save 2023 in 2023, but I've got a feeling that I may not get it done for a third time this year. Okay, so let's just put 20 in here. There we go. And that's that. But overall, I had a really nice breakaway. It was lovely. I really enjoyed myself, had fun, sang, walked. The weather was really nice, prayed. Oh, it was really, really nice. And all the ladies were so lovely as well. Right, I've got £20 rollover. Now, let me see if I've stuffed everyone. I have. Let's see. That's going to be a rollover. Might as well leave it for rollover, and then we will see what we can do with it next time. I can't remember what I'm doing. I think, oh, I'm doing a lot of roll the dice next week for savings challenges. It's the roll the dice extravaganza next week, so that's that. Everything's been stuffed this week. Got some rollover, which is nice. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.